that something as simple as apple cider vinegar can help grow your hair faster and healthier? If you are still struggling with hair growth, or you just want to improve the overall health of your hair, then you have to keep watching this video, and in fact watch this video to the end. Let us start by understanding how apple cider vinegar works its magic on your hair. Apple cider vinegar is a natural ingredient that has been used for centuries in various cultures for its health benefits. It contains essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that can promote hair growth and improve the condition of your scalp. Now let's take a look at some benefits of apple cider vinegar on the hair. First, apple cider vinegar is going to balance the pH levels of your scalp. So our scalp has a natural pH level, and when it becomes imbalanced, it can lead to various hair problems like dandruff or hair loss. Apple cider vinegar helps to restore the pH balance of your scalp, creating a healthy environment for hair growth. So if you have dandruff, then this is good news for you, because apple cider vinegar works wonders in getting rid of dandruff. It is tested and trusted, tried, tested by me, and it worked wonders on my dandruff of many years. Number 2, cleansing and exfoliating the scalp. Over time, product buildup, excessive oil, and dead skin cells can clog the hair follicles. All this hinders the growth of hair. So apple cider vinegar here acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing these impurities and unclogging the follicles, allowing new hair to grow. Stimulating blood circulation. Apple cider vinegar helps to enhance blood circulation to the hair follicles, which helps to deliver these essential nutrients and oxygen to the hair roots. So this increased blood flow encourages hair growth and strengthens the hair shaft. Now that you know the benefits of apple cider vinegar and how this is going to help grow your hair, let us dive into the practical aspects of using apple cider vinegar for your hair growth. Step 1. Dilute the apple cider vinegar. You don't want to use it directly on your scalp as it can be too harsh. So mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and you are good to go. Apply the solution to your scalp and massage gently. So you can either make use of a spray bottle for this, or you can use a cup and then just pour it on your hair, but ensure that it covers your entire scalp, focusing on the roots, because that is where this is going to start working from. So focus on the roots where hair growth starts. Step 3. Leave this solution on for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the apple cider vinegar to work its magic and penetrate the scalp, in turn promoting hair growth. Step 4. Rinse your hair thoroughly with cold water. You can follow up with mild shampoo and conditioner if needed. Remember, it's important to do a patch test before applying apple cider vinegar to your scalp to ensure you don't have any adverse reaction. Now let's talk about the frequency of using apple cider vinegar for your hair growth. I would recommend you use this treatment once or twice in a week, because overusing apple cider vinegar can lead to dryness or irritation. Here are a few extra tips to maximize the benefit of apple cider vinegar for hair growth. Number 1. Maintain a healthy diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals for overall hair health. 2. Use a white tooth comb or brush to prevent hair breakage. And when brushing out or combing your hair, always remember to start from the tips to the root. This is to avoid breakage. Avoid using excessive heat styling tools or tight hairstyles that can damage the hair. Extra tip: avoid dyeing your hair, because chemicals such as dyes is going to make your hair to fall out faster. So avoid using dyes on your hair. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Share it with people that might need this. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care or hair growth. So be patient and give apple cider vinegar a chance to work its wonders on your hair. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. As always, if you have any question or any other hair related topics you would like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. You can also shoot me an email. Check the description. Thank you for watching.